Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love to incorporate creatine as part of my supplement routine, and I have found this one by Naked. This is Naked Creatine, and I have to say I am so happy with it. The name kind of gives it away. It has exactly one ingredient, which is just creatine. I also love this over 2 pound package of creatine because it has 200 servings, so I don't have to worry about replenishing this for a while. I love to use creatine to help supplement my workouts and get the most out of them. And this one is very easy for me to drink. I usually mix it just with water. Maybe I'll mix it with hydration mix or something like that, but it is very easily dissolved into my water, which I appreciate because it's never fun to drink a creatine that's kind of like chalky or powdery, leaves behind that residue on the glass. So I love that this is easy to dissolve. It just takes 1 scoop in my water, I mix it up, and then I'm good to go. I super appreciate that it doesn't have any additives in it. I don't need that. I just need creatine. They keep things nice and simple. So if you're looking for a great creatine to add into your supplement routine, I highly recommend checking out Naked Creatine. I think you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.